Hi, this is Mike Sheen, and you want to know what the difference was between whole life and term life insurance. Well, whole life is just as the name implies, if structured correctly, and that's very key here, right? If structured correctly, that policy will stay in force based on the premium that you're paying today and continue to pay over the years for your whole life. And that's really the objective. I mean, if you peel it away, a person's buying life insurance for the death benefit to protect the beneficiaries. But the other two great things about whole life, well, really the one great thing about whole life, or the secondary great thing about whole life, because number the first great thing is you're getting that death benefit tax free. The second thing is in a whole life policy, it's going to accumulate a kind of a side book. It's going to accumulate a cash value. And that cash value is going to grow along with the help from the insurance company because the insurance company is going to credit it a interest. They're going to add interest to that account as it grows. And what happens is as the policy gets older, that cash value is going to grow, that bucket of money is going to grow, and then you're going to have a couple of options. The two primary options are one, depending on how much that cash value is, you could potentially use it as an income. You could pull money out of it, and the significant thing of that is that you're pulling the money out tax-free. So it doesn't show up on your tax return as earned, passive, or portfolio income. So if you're somebody who's pulling money out of a whole life policy and who's also taking Social Security, it will not affect the amount of your Social Security. So this is huge, and that's a whole other discussion, and we can get into that deeper at some other time. The second thing is some people will take the cash value and use it to cover the expenses of the policy without having to pay any new premium and keep the policy in force. So what this means is at age 60, 65, 70, and you say, geez, that $100, $150, $200 a month, if I could, if we could, if I could stop paying that, that would help me a little bit. And if you have the cash value in the policy, you could tell the insurance company, take the expenses to keep this policy in force from my cash value. So the death benefit will stay intact, but you do not have to pay any new money into it. So that's another big advantage on the back end on a whole life policy. Now, term life, again, is, as the name implies, it's for a term. The most common that I see of folks that that I engage with and become new customers, or excuse me, new clients online, is the 20-year term, which just means that the policy is going to stay in force for 20 years. The premium is going to stay and the coverage is going to stay the same. And at the end of the 20 years, everything's going to change. You're going to have to make a decision. Because if you continue the policy, the premium will increase considerably because you're 20 years older. Or the policy may just end, depending on who you purchase it from. So it puts you in a position where you have to make some decisions as to whether you're going to continue insurance or you're going to try to reapply, and if your health is good or whatever the case might be. But it helps you on the front end because it's less expensive than whole life. So you have to weigh those options. For me personally, I have term insurance and I have whole life insurance. So I kind of have the best of both worlds. Now, to find out what's going to work best for you, go underneath my name there on the left and you'll see www.withlifetimeprotection.com, or just go below it and click on the link, and that's going to take you to my website. And on the website, you're going to see in the upper right, you can put your name, your phone number, your email address in and click Get a Quote. Now that's going to come back to me, and then we can reach out to you and have a conversation, find out what your particular concerns are, what you think you'd like to see, and we'll put together a plan for you and do what we can to earn your business. So again, go to the link below on the left, click it, and then it's going to take you to the website. In the upper right, go to where it says Get a Quote there, put in your name, your phone number, email address, click it, and then I'll look forward to talking with you real soon. Hey, make it a great day.